Hi guys, this is your Rohit, your English language trainer and motivational speaker. Today, I would like to know about Miss Mariam. She is a student of Adroit Academy and she is a very good student of Adroit Academy. Today, Mariam, I would like to ask about yourself. So, are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, Mariam, just tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance.
Thank you.
And my name is Mariam and I am from Badawi. And my father name is Mr. Salim and he is carpet worker. And my mother name is Princess Adroit Begum. She is a district doctor.
That's good.
And
now, Miss Mariam, I'd like to know that actually you said about your father. Now tell me that what is your father and what does he do?
my father is a carpet worker.
Okay. So your father is a carpet worker. Now tell me, Miss Mariam, what do you want to be in your life?
So I want to be in my life IS officer.
Oh my God, you want to be an IS officer.
Yes,
so now, Mariam, can you tell me that why do you want to be an IS officer? What is the reason behind it?
Because I like IS officer and one day my brother saw news channel and I also saw. So that time I don't know who is Arika Khadi. So doing very well.
Yes, I know Arika Khadi.
So that time I don't know who is Arika Khadi. So I asked my brother. So my brother said to me that she is a Arika Khadi.
Yes.
She is a DM in Badawi city.
Yes.
So that time when I saw Arika Khadi, that time my feelings very better.
Yes.
And Arika Khadi is behind and both front side and behind both sides and many bodyguards and many people stand there only for Arika Khadi.
Yes.
And I like this and many people give respect.
Yes.
That time so I decided that come what may I will become IS officer.
Okay, now Miss, yes, your goal is a very fantastic goal. You want to be an IS officer. May God bless you. You must be an IS officer, and I want to see that day. Okay. So now, Miss Mariam, I would like to know about your mother. What is the name of your mother?
My mother name is Mrs. Adroit Begum. She is a domestic doctor.
Okay. So actually, now tell me that which type of people do you like most?
I like very simple people. I like.
Okay. So actually, you said that I want to be an IS officer. So after being an IS officer, what do you want to do for your society and for your family?
So when I will become IS officer, that time I will do my society and my family. When any bad situation and any problems can, so that time I always
you will be
yes,
with your family.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now, Miss, my Faruqi, just tell me that actually you stayed in Adroit Academy only 2 months, and now you are a very good speaker of Adroit Academy. I'd like to know, Miss Mariam, how did you improve yourself? How you became like this? How you improved your English and you are looking very confident girl and confident lady? Yes. So just tell me what is the secret of this?
First thing is that I speak very well because of you.
Thank you.
Because you always suggested that you always practice and do hard work.
Yes.
Because without hard work you don't anything in your life.
Yes.
That's why sir, I always do hard work and more practice.
Yes. Okay, so it means that practice is very important. Yes. So that's now, Miss Mariam, just tell me that actually suppose that right now you are an IS officer of Badawi district. Okay, and just what will you do for me actually?
So
yes,
I will do for you when will come any problem and bad situation.
Yes.
So sir, I always stand with you.
Okay, thank you.
I always supported you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mariam, for giving me this type of words to me, because this word I am getting so many motivation from you, because you right now in which class you study, Mariam?
I class study in 12.
you are studying in 12th class, but your thinking is not like a 12. Your thinking is like B.Ed M.Ed, because I have seen many B.Ed M.Ed people who have done, but actually they have not any goal. They have not like your thinking, but your thinking is very fantastic thinking, and you must be good IAS officer in your life. Okay, so now Mariam, when you will be IAS officer, means in which year you will be an IAS officer? In which year you will be an IAS officer? Have you thought about this? Okay. Now Mariam, just I like to know about your English because you are speaking well English. So now, can you tell me that how can we improve our English?
So I can improve my English.
Thank you so much for coming on my YouTube channel, and thank you so much. Just actually I am very excited to be you, and just may God bless you. You be an IAS very soon. I want to see actually that position. Okay, and thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much.